Welcome to online class of Balangir Public School. Myself Snigdhamay Mahakur, students of class 6. In previous class we study about factors and multiples. Today we study about common factors and common multiples. We study common factors and common multiples by some examples. By giving some examples. First, factors of 4. 4 is equal to 1 into 4. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. 18 is equal to 1 into 18 is equal to 2 into 9 and 18 is equal to 3 into 6. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. We already know factors of numbers. How to calculate or find the factors of a number. Here we find the factors of 4 and factors of 18. Now we should find common factors of 4 and 18. So the common factors of 4 and 18 are 1, 1, 2, 2. So the common factors of 4 and 18 are 1 and 2. Now next example. Find the common factors of 4 and 15. We know the factors of 4 is equal to 1, 2 and 4. Common factors of 15. 15 is equal to 1 into 15, 3 into 5. So the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The common factors of 4 and 15 is 1. Here 1, 1. Next, find the factors of 7 and 16. 7 is equal to 1 into 7. So factors of 7 are 1 and 7. And 16 is equal to 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So the common factors of 7 and 16 is 1. That is 1 and 7, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Common is 1. So here common factor of 7 and 16 is 1. Two numbers having only 1 as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Here 7 and 16 are co-prime numbers. Here 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers because they have a common number 1. Common factor 1. The two numbers common factor is 1. Next, find the common factor of 4, 12 and 16. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 12 is equal to 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 16. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So the common factors of 4, 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. 4, 4, 4. Next, common multiple. We know what is multiple. Now common multiples. Find common multiples of 4 and 6. First we find multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. So the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, 36 and so on. Find common multiples of 3, 5 and 6. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and so on. So the common multiples of 3, 5 and 6 are 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, next 60, 90 and so on. Example, next example. Find common factors of 75, 60, 210. First, 75, factors of 75. 75 is equal to 1 into 75 is equal to 3 into 25 is equal to 5 into 15. So the factors of 75 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. Next, 60. 60 is equal to 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, 5 into 12, 6 into 10. So the factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Next, 210. 210 is equal to 1 into 210, 2 into 105, 3 into 70, 5 into 42, 6 into 35, 7 into 30, 10 into 21, 14 into 15. So factors of 210 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14, 15, 21, 30, 35, 42, 70, 105 and 210. So the common factors of 75, 60 and 210 are here 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 1, 1, 1. Next 3, 3, 3, 3. Next 5, 5, 5, 5. Next 15, 15, 15 and 15. Next example. Find the common multiples of 3, 4 and 9. First, multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72 and so on. Next, multiple of 4. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72 and so on. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72 and so on. So the common multiples of 3, 4 and 9 are 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36. Next 72 and so on. That's all for today. Chapter 3.4 completed.